Hey y'all, are y'all looking for an elegant date night or just date period in Destin, Florida or Miramar Beach, Florida area? When I tell you Bòsforo Mediterranean Grill is the place to be, flavors were everything, service was everything, the atmosphere was everything. And when I tell you, this place used to be a IHOP, which you would never believe because this place has been redesigned to something so elegant. The owner is from Turkey and he was literally there seating people, making sure that everything was fine. The glasses that they use actually came from Turkey. When I tell you this, they pay attention to every single detail at this restaurant. The server, who was also the bartender, immaculate when it comes to service. When I tell you we had zero complaints about this place. So we started off with the strawberry lemonade and the watermelon margarita. We also had the crab claws for an appetizer, and I had the lamb shank, and my husband had salmon topped with lump crab meat, which is not necessarily on the menu, but you can add it. My sides were polenta that came with the lamb shank. Delicious, 10 out of 10. And for his sides, he had the risotto, tomatoes, and carrots. Immaculate. So, if you are looking for a place to dine in Miramar Beach, Florida, which is near Destin, a short drive from Destin, this is your place. They did not disappoint. Everything came out fresh, hot, and delicious. And just listen to these food reviews, baby. When I tell you, nothing disappointed. Okay, so we are here at Bòsforo in Destin, and I am getting ready to try lamb and polenta, aka grits, the better part of the grits. Okay, so they're flavorful, they're pretty, but I can't say that they don't really feel hot, the grits. Polenta's kind of lukewarm. Let's try the lamb. They're hot. No kind of gamey flavor at all.
I'll go first.
This tastes like beef, baby.
You see the stain inside. Pretty good.
No
First taste.
kind of
First taste.
gamey flavor at all.
I'm gonna go first with the
Tastes like beef, baby.
risotto. You can see the stain inside. Pretty good. The herb, which I have the crab meat here. As you can see, the stain.